The last couple of days has been extremely busy for us. We have got all these 7 garden rows up. Now it is planting day. Basically today we're just going to plant as much as we can. We're going to show you what we're going to plant and how we're going to do it. It's nice that now we can get everything out of our greenhouse and hopefully we can get all of this out and it can start growing perfectly. This is some of the things that we bought out. We have some more stuff in the greenhouse. Zula's going to crack on with this and she's going to explain to you what she's putting in and where she's going to put it. We have different things, broccoli and cauliflower and beetroots and celery and onions and a whole bunch of things that need to go in today.
Really exciting today because we are planting outside all our veg, where it's going to be the carrots and onions, and we have a plan already. Just we need to do now is just the planting. Okay. And of course we put this sheep wool fertilizer to every single each of vegetable. The nice thing about this wool fertilizer is just a little tiny bit need every hole. That's it. So we have done onion this side, so all onions planted. I'm carrying on now is the carrots. So the carrots really small. Many of them will grow like this. Separate every single carrot the planting. Look, it's so cute, look. Hi, we have done so far 5 rows in the pool. They planted the broccoli, cauliflower, beetroot, celery root. So much wind today, but the wind is good for work. 3 more rows to plant. After all planted, gonna look really nice. But anyway, woo, nice wind. It really helps for work, so carry on.
Good job.
Oh, thank you.
Mommy, good job.
Yeah.
Look, Mommy, good job.
Not easy.
No, a lot of work. Over the last couple of days, Zula and her parents have done an absolutely fantastic job of getting everything into the ground. It looks absolutely amazing, except that we have a little bit of a problem with weed seeds, but we knew that we were going to have that since the compost, the horse compost that we had was aged, but it was not heat composted, so it had some weed seeds in it. But we'll sort that out. We'll just let it grow for a little bit and then we'll come and pick it all up. But it's looking absolutely great. Baby, you did a good job.
Thank you.
Good job. We have some carrots on the other side. We have some onions, some celery, some leeks, some cauliflower, some broccoli, some root celery, some Brussels sprouts, red cabbage, white cabbage, and some beetroots. I think it's a good start for this year. We know that it's not going to be the most successful crop this year because this is a brand new beds and it needs time to have all the amendments and put in some more stuff every year. So every year is going to get better and better and better, but it's looking great. It's really hot today, but we want to crack on. There's a couple of things we want to finish off on this side since we have some other projects coming out. We want to finish off this side, plus we want to do a nice path from here to there. This morning we picked up some new lumber. We're going to do the same style that we did on all the other wood, which is the burnt wood, Japanese shushugi barn. And we're actually going to lie 10 by 10 wood all the way down. It's not going to last forever, but it's going to give us at least 6 or 8 years. And then we're going to put some gravel here with some fabric cloth, so it will look nice. And this area will be then finished. We have some other stuff over there, but we can do that later. But since I'm back, Zula wants to put me to work. Okay? Mommy said Daddy's got to work. Can we work? Yeah. So we want to get this done. Let's go and burn some wood and get this path fixed in. Okay, you're going to come help Daddy?
Morning stretch. Wow, nice. Morning stretch. Is it nice?
Yes.
Yes. Nice. Catch me if you can. Hold it.
Not going to explain too much. We've explained this in quite a few of the videos. This is Siberian lurch. So you can either stain it or you can paint it. We prefer doing the Japanese style Suzuki barn, where you burn it down, brush it off, oil it, and it will last a lot longer. Even though this is going to be in the ground, it should last a good 6 to 8 years. So, well, we'll see about that, but anyway. We like it. We think it looks good. Hey, Flamey! We've got 12 meters of 10 by 10. We're going to burn it down, clean it, oil it, and then we'll dig out and put it into the ground.
Good. Oh, the washing?
Yes.
Gravel in Mongolia, 1 truck full. So that much gravel is about $22. So I just thought that it might be interesting to know what something like this costs. So now you know. But it's going to be good. So all the wood is burnt. So now what I've done is I've just run a string line. We're going to have a 1 meter path. We're going to go down about 5 centimeters, half the size of the wood. And I'm also going to scrape off and level it out before I put down fabric cloth so the weeds don't grow up. Now it's just digging in this heat.
Straight to the front.
Tomorrow we just find the wood, put it all flat.
Sounds easy.
Sounds easy.
Yeah, but hard work. Digging.
No, especially working in this heat. I think probably because when you spend a lot of time in Mongolia, you get used to the cold, and then the summer comes and it hits you. I mean, I'm a South African boy, I should be able to handle this heat. I think we're going to call it quits to today.
Yeah.
Sun is going down. We like to spend the evenings with Flame and just relax a bit. We got all that sorted out. It's flattened off. We're going to lay the wood tomorrow, attach that, lay the fabric cloth, run all the gravel, and then easy peasy, that's done.
That sounds easy peasy.
Sounds easy peasy.
Actually.
And then work on this side, and then this part of the garden is done,
Yeah,
and we can
then
focus
we can
on other
carry
things.
on other projects.
Exactly. We have some big projects coming up.
Yeah.
So we're excited to start those as soon as possible.
Yes.
And we will catch you tomorrow and get this job finished,
Have a good sleep.
and some good things to share with you tomorrow.
See you later.
Good night. There's a lot of videos on YouTube on how to do hot composting, how to do the levels, get your greens right, your browns right, moisture. But if you just wing it, about 50-50, it'll work. And keep it moist, keep turning it every day or two, and it'll heat up. Gonna give it a turn, add some more liquid to it. I have some scraps from the kitchen, I'm just gonna throw it in. So keep playing with this, and we're gonna have some beautiful compost to add to amend our garden later in the year or until for next year. Beautiful stuff. I'm getting excited over compost. But really cool. Super happy to make our own compost here. Woo! That's gonna put to good use. We have a new camera. The guys over at Reolink sent us a camera to test out. Thank you so much. Reolink, they're celebrating their 14th anniversary. They love what we do on our channel, so they wanted to send us a camera, and much appreciated. We're gonna test it out for them. This is a super cool camera. So this is the Reolink Trax Mix Wi-Fi. It's a 4K camera. So we can use this for extra B-roll, some security around the house, motion tracking, things like that. Let's get this thing hooked up, give it a test and see how it works. Oh, look at this thing, man. Full 360, twin lens, memory card, Wi-Fi cable, electrical cable, internet cable, extension electrical cable, waterproofing, screws, don't need that, power cable. And the cool thing about Reolink cameras, they're super easy to set up, see what's going on anywhere in the world. Very fun. Okay, let's get this thing installed. Looks good, huh? Let's turn it on.
Welcome to Reolink.
So I've been testing out the camera. It works absolutely fantastic. It's got two lenses. One is like a wide angle lens, which is 4K. The other one is more a zoom lens, which is HD, which is perfectly fine. The HD lens, that does the self-tracking. So there's a lot of things on the app that you can actually set up. So otherwise, really great. I'm super happy with the camera. Thank you so much, Reolink, and happy anniversary. They have given us a link to the anniversary special that's running until the 4th of July. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. You can get up to a 40% saving if you use the link. So definitely highly recommend checking out the link, looking at what Reolink has, looking at the specials that they have. It's absolutely incredible. That's why I'm very happy to share this with you, because it is a fantastic camera and a fantastic brand. Now that that is all set up, let's get back to the garden. It's getting really hot. Woo! So we're cracking on. This morning I was just taking some bit of sand and gravel and putting it in the gaps now. So everything is ready to go. We're just going to take this fabric cloth that we got. It's 3 meters by 10 meters. We're going to just take it over there, cut it up, lay it on here so the weeds don't come through. Then we can put the wood on, and then we can start putting the gravel on. So that's what we're going to do.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Woo! But I shouldn't complain. I mean, you have some hot days. Okay.
Okay.
Let's move this. Julie's going to help me. What I'm doing is I'm just using these metal brackets so I can hold it all together so it becomes one piece. I think that's the easiest way to do it.
Looks awesome.
Awesome.
Awesome. Love the color.
This is actually darker than all the other Shugi Barn things that we did. The only difference is we actually didn't brush it. You don't have to brush it, so that's just a look, and we're gonna see how it ages like this. Be interesting. Something different.
Yeah.
Now the back-breaking work. First of many.
complete. Finally. Woo! The end.
I think we're going to end the video here. This was a huge job to get everything done. It actually took a lot longer than this video.
Yeah.
We've actually been extremely busy over the last couple of weeks. We've had some other projects going on outside of our YouTube channel.
Yes.
We'll explain a little bit about that later, but it's been fantastic. Most of that work is done.
Yeah.
So we can now continue to get back to building things around the homestead.
Yeah.
But this was an absolutely fun project to do. I love these projects where you just like building something and it actually transforms the whole place.
Yeah.
And it looks really great.
It's really simple and
Yeah, really simple, and it just makes a big difference.
yeah, it looks much better.
It's a big difference.
Yeah.
Just wanted to give a huge shout out to a few of our Patreons and our members to the channel. How much we really appreciate you. Your contribution to our channel actually allows us to afford to do some of these projects. You know, we're not made of money. It's money doesn't grow on trees. If it did, we would do it in the greenhouse.
Yeah.
But things cost a lot of money, and your contribution really helps us to do these projects. And we just, from the bottom of our heart, we thank you so much.
Yeah,
and we
thank you
love
so
you guys.
much.
Really appreciate it. So I just wanted to give a shout out to you guys, and to all of you that subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. We love you to bits, and we really enjoy reading all your comments.
Yeah.
It means a lot to us.
Made our day.
We have some exciting new projects, and we'll go through that on the next episode.
Yeah.
Guys-
It's gonna be a huge project.
Yeah, it's going to be some big projects.
Yeah.
But challenging because it's in Mongolia. Not always
Yeah.
easy.
But this is our choice.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and we will
Okay.
see you next time.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.